The actor and his pregnant wife looked loved up on the red carpet for the premiere of his new movie The Unbearable Weight of Massive Talent at the South by Southwest Film Festival. Nicolas Cage and his wife Riko Shibata are the most adorable pregnant couple ever. The pair, who announced they are expecting their first child together back in January, were beaming on the red carpet at the South by Southwest Film Festival in Austin, Texas on Saturday, March 12. The Oscar-nominated actor held hands with his stunning partner as they arrived for the premiere of his new film The Unbearable Weight of Massive Talent. Riko was simply a vision with her gorgeous black midi dress featuring a daring amount of fringe. She stole the spotlight by rocking an oversized, sparkling diamond necklace for the annual, celeb-packed event. With her luscious raven locks left long and loose and just a dab of lipstick, the pregnant actress let her natural beauty take center stage. Alongside her, Nicolas kept a cool figure in a black and red plaid suit that he topped off with a black tee and brown loafers. Meanwhile, the Pig star said he believes he's finally found his perfect match with Riko, his fifth wife. "I'm really happily married. I know 5 is a lot, but I think I got it right this time," he told the Los Angeles Times in January. Nicolas was previously married to Patricia Arquette, Lisa Marie Presley, Alice Kim, and Erica Goike. And when asked by the outlet to list his favorite things in life, Nicolas immediately put Riko at the top of the list. 5th time's truly a charm. Related gallery. Nicolas Cage, photos of the actor. In January, the Raising Arizona alum and Japanese actress, who married in February 2021, announced they are expecting their first child together. The parents-to-be are elated. A rep told People at the time. This will mark Nicolas' 3rd child. He is also dad to son Khalil, 16, with ex-wife Alice, and son Weston, 31, with ex-girlfriend Christina Fulton. The actor previously revealed he met Riko through mutual friends in Japan while he was filming the sci-fi thriller Prisoners of the Ghostland. In August, Nicolas opened up more about his relationship to Riko, revealing he popped the question over FaceTime. "She left New York and went back to Kyoto, Japan, and I went back to Nevada, and I haven't seen her for 6 months, and we're really happy together and we're really excited to spend that time together, so I finally just said, look, I wanna marry you, and we got engaged on FaceTime," he said on his brother Mark the Coppola's radio show.